What's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a CapCut project on PC so other people can actually open it and edit it. So first, simply open CapCut on your PC and make sure the project you want to share is fully saved. So CapCut doesn't have a direct share to edit option yet, so you need to share the project files manually. So to do this, simply open File Explorer and go to Documents. Then go to CapCut and User Data. Next, you can then click on Projects. So simply find the folder for your project and copy that entire folder. Now you can then send this folder to the other person using Google Drive, OneDrive or a USB drive. So once they download it, they'll just need to paste it into the same CapCut projects folder on their PC. So after they reopen CapCut, the project will then appear and they'll be able to edit it manually. And that's it. So that's literally how to share a CapCut project with someone else. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.